And here is our beginning cervical for the foam roller. This is the introduction video of how to do this. This is, you can see, the very first one that we demonstrate for you, where you're just laying on your back nice and gently. You extend your head back, tuck your chin in, very little movement, but very effective and through the trigger points of the neck. That's the first one. Now the second one, you just want to rotate your head to about a 45-degree angle, and then doing the exact same movement, extend the head over the foam roller and then tucking the chin back down in. Slow and steady, just nice and easy. And here we see how to do the upper thoracic, or what we call the cervical thoracic junction. So you're going to, from the shoulder blades, roll up into the base of the neck, down to the shoulder blades, all the way to the base of the neck and back to the shoulder blades. Each one of these you're going to be doing for about a minute or two, so this should take you roughly about 3 to 5 minutes to get through these 3 exercises. For this, you can see Monica's supporting her head in case you have some neck issues that you can't hold your head up. Use your hands to support you as you're rocking back and forth like this, and that will help ease out a little of that tension for you.